Welcome back. Well, it was a little bit cooler today, if you want to call 90 degrees cooler, but with scattered showers and storms kicking off during the morning hours, that kind of levels off the temperature, and that's the way it's going to play in the days ahead. So let's get over to the key wall. Notice our normal high now up to 92. It's going to be that way for the rest of July. The first 2 weeks of August, our normal high gets up to 93, and then after about August 15th or 16th, that number starts going down. We stay pegged in the mid-70s for the normals, but we haven't seen normals in forever. And look at today, topsy-turvy day. Got up to 90 degrees at 10:21 this morning. Storms hit and got down to 76 degrees at 12:36 this afternoon. So no records being threatened. And rainfall-wise, doing better than the month of June. We're picking things up and ahead for the month for sure, and for the year as well. So the wet pattern looks to continue the way we're looking at as we move into the next 7 days. A good chance of daily scattered showers and thunderstorms in the 60, 70, perhaps 80% range. So it's going to be widespread at times, but the days are not going to be washouts. And we still expect some shower activity at night as well, all associated with a very small weakness in the upper parts of the atmosphere here. And you can kind of see the upper level pattern kind of spinning like an upper level low, but not quite there. But this is what we're going to be dealing with. And then there's going to be a little frontal trough that's off to the north that's going to be sagging southward with time. As we take a look at the regional Doppler radars, we can see some of the activity up across northern Louisiana. And then as we get into Arkansas, excuse me for just a second. And with the change in the pattern, I get a cough every now and then, and when that happens, I just turn the cough. There's a cough button here on my mic. But basically, you go from high humidity, high temperatures into the air-conditioned environment. It's rough on your sinuses, and that's what it's been doing to me this year for sure. Now, as we look at the activity during the course of the last 6 hours, we can see we had a pretty good scattering of showers and storms across the area. Things pretty much quieting down. And then off to the north and west, still activity going, but mostly ground clutter. We do pick up on an isolated shower for our friends in Beauregard Parish between De Quincy and DeRitter. And there was a nice little shower by the Bunkie area when we were putting the show together. But the show coming on late tonight, that shower pretty much has dissipated in southern Avoyelles Parish. The rest of Acadiana, relatively quiet. Stays that way for the next several hours, but I wouldn't be surprised if we see some shower activity picking up toward daybreak tomorrow, as we're going to be mired in deep tropical moisture that stays with us as we head into the weekend. And then, just as we think we might be trying to dry out, more tropical moisture works its way into the Gulf of Mexico. So pretty good rain chances for the next week on any given day, and even some rain chances at night. Switching over to the HRRR model tonight, this is doing a little bit better job than the graph model, indicating quiet for the most part, but by mid-morning tomorrow, scattered showers and thunder showers picking up across the area. Again, locally heavy downpours, some cloud to ground lightning, and this type of pattern, you get funnel clouds where storms pick up quickly, they grow quickly, and then they have the downdrafts, and that spin sometimes gets those funnel clouds going. We had a few spotted today inland and offshore, and we'll probably see more in the days ahead. By tomorrow, drive time for rush hour, it should be quiet, but notice still the risk of some showers and storms even overnight, tomorrow night into Friday. And Friday we'll can count on probably a pretty good coverage of showers and storms once again. As for rainfall over the next 48 to 72 hours, most of us pick up somewhere between a ½ inch and an inch. Other spots catch a couple of inches of rain. That's the nature of thunderstorms. And notice the model going for over 4 inches of rain, 5 inches of rain, Pecan Island. That's because the model thinks there's going to be repeated storms there, but that's not probably going to be at that location. But somewhere in Acadiana may see that for sure. 77 the overnight low. We'll keep that rain chance at about 40%, maybe a rumble of thunder toward daybreak tomorrow. And tomorrow, a good chance of scattered storms. Activity starts the morning hours and ends during the early evening hours. So keep the rain gear handy with you and make it your friend. You're going to need it as we move into the weekend as well. Look at that. Rain chances 60% or better for the next week. But look at those temperatures. They indeed are the beauties in this 10-day forecast. That's it for weather for now. We'll have more coming up a little bit later on.